Oh, we're shallow today, boys. 40 odd metres. It's as rough as dog's breakfast. Rankin, eh?
I know, I just got him off the bottom now, Hilly.
Oh, come on. You're just worried about that.
Dirty buggers.
That's a good fish. I've never caught one of them here.
Well, they're not even on the bloody point scoring. But that is.
Oh, we'll give you points for that.
Hey?
You get points on the
China fish, mate.
Chinaman.
Nice.
There you go.
He pulled all right. That's good fun. That was good fun.
Give you a good workout.
Yeah.
Well, he's still got a bit going in.
Yeah, he's all right.
I think
Good
he's
one,
okay.
Russ. Nice.
Off you go, buddy. Boom. Straight down. Oh, he's gone.
Hey, Russ.
Yeah.
Good fish.
Nice.
Hey.
Big Chinaman. Well, I don't know, mate, but we're only 40 metres, but I reckon it's the right colour, boys.
Right colour.
You're not a record breaker, but that's what we're in the shallows for.
It's a red one.
And people aren't, I can't say how close we are to the Coral Bay Passage.
Huh?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you, but people say there's no fish.
Beauty.
Good fishing, bro, well done. Woo!
What are you praying for, Hilly? Not how to say it. Praying to get it to the top. I can see some disappointment there. What happened?
A big red.
Unlucky.
You can shut that off.
Well, I've got something good here. Apparently, boys are all fucking
Holy fuck!
losing their shit. Look at this boat here. They're calling it a Robbo Brim.
That is the biggest robber you'll ever see. That's fish of the trip right there.
Oh my god, fish of the trip, Hilly. That's a big call.
Forget your 10 kilo red, mate. That's 6 kilo robbo.
Right, alright. Alright, boys. Telling them never seen such a dinosaur. Best eating fish in the ocean. All the words are getting said. I didn't even know what the bloody thing was, but apparently she's top shelf. And they call it a Robson Seabream. That's in there. What's he coming in at? We'll call it 75 for the sake of the exercise, I think. That's him.
Look at the meat and the girth on it.
He's just a rocket, isn't he? Look at that. He's just a bloody rocket.
Awesome fish, mate.
Leno, what's happened here? What's happened, bro?
Please come up. Please come up. He's coming.
He's coming. I got him off the bottom.
Yeah, he's off the bum.
Nice.
Off the bum.
Nice.
Oh, he played with that for a long time, so hopefully
Hopefully it's the right one.
it's the right
Fingers
colour.
crossed, Leno.
It's the right colour. It's the right colour, Gleno. Winner, winner. Chicken fucking dinner.
Alrighty, boys. There we go.
Fuck.
He's starting to get the grey lips and everything.
You, buddy.
Oh, you just upgraded on your 62.
Thank you.
Oh,
Very
mate,
much.
got to be happy with that, Glenn.
Stunning.
What a rocket, mate.
I played with it for a long time and annoyed me, but now he's rewarded me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new clubhouse leader.
I'm still in the game.
What are we up to? Call it 68. Touching at this angle, eh?
Probably there.
Yeah.
I call it 67.
67.
Yep.
Nice.
Oh, very nice. Bloody ripper.
You want a photo of that bloke, mate?
Winner, chicken bloody dinner.
Woo! Look at that.
That is fat.
Yeah, there's
It's
the
like
one.
me in a fish form.
Love it. Love it.
That is the goods.
Right, Billy, Glenn still got his fish up, just finished ringing its neck. And what happened over this side of the boat, Hillbill? Woohoo! Alrighty. Oh, a bit of squealy bits happening too. Woo!
Quite really weird. Maybe a big spango even.
Right.
It took it like a red, but... So spangy.
Here's good spangy. Nice, mate.
Cracking good fish.
You're going to get a spangy.
Nice place.
650, 700.
Nice, silly. Nice,
Yeah,
mate.
oh good.
Glenn, on again, mate.
Yeah, happy. No, it's minus points.
That is minus
That's
points.
minus.
That's called a sand snapper.
Oh, we like them in our competition. Oh, I'll mark that up, mate.
He's not coming off, mate. He's not. I think we'll have to land it properly, mate.
Oh, touch the leader, runner. Touch the leader.
Oh, he's just out of reach. Oh, he's touched. We've got to consider it a court, mate.
Oh, no.
Unlucky. Oh, well.
And minus 15.
Minus 15, you're kidding me. That's a good thing.
There you go.
Off he goes.
Love and life, mate. Love and life. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, that's it. Do you want the anything?
Oh.
Got a contender.
Rups.
Well up, mate. It's good.
I mean,
Not a bad one.
60. Oh, you bastard, you got me.
You made us something.
66.
You made us something.
1 centimetre. Good fish, Glenn, good fish.
Nice, boys. Nice.
Oh, it's the only note.
Shark. Cobia, get your line up. Watch your power. It's fair cobia too. Don't rush it. This is good. This has been fun. There you go. Press reset. You want me to get him this time or? Come on. Oh, I missed him. I've broken a few gas like this.
Good imagine.
And did I mention?
Just be careful of my beer, Hilly.
I'm going to get the hook out. Oi. How many men does it take to get a cobia off hook? Well, I'm not a man's. And now is your problem. That's got some weight to it actually. Well, that proper weight.
It's a good fish. Good fun.
Yeah.
I might put him.
Please God, please God, please God. Come on, come on. Hydrate while we wait and pray. I say we pray. Pray! I say we pray. No tax man. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, Gleno's on too, eh? Look at the spots on that, eh?
Hey, beautiful looking fish.
Hey, it's mate. Oh, look at that shot, beautiful in the sun. Another stinky Rankin. Beautiful day.
Put him on that water.
Oh, I've got enough energy.
Oh, you.
70-ish. 70. Oh, I'm done.
It's a nice fish, mate.
But that's it.
You're taking points, is that all?
Yeah, well, he's with. Oh,
Wait.
hey, go that way. Go. Swim, son. Nice little piggy. I'd give you a look, but I'll throw him back. Bango. Jesus, bangos have been good size, haven't they?
Yeah. That's a good one.
Something a bit more simple off. Yeah, a good one. Yeah, that's weigh him, measure him. Yeah, it has to be 650. Something like that. 850. 650. 650.
Nice, mate. Nice. Right,
Alright, I can't believe he didn't get tangled in mine. Oh, this is going to be a shit show.
Again, Glenn, eh?
Oh, fucking not enjoying it at all. I'll try and snap it off, to be honest with you. That's all I want to do is snap that off. I'm thumb on the spool. Come on, shark, come and take him. Have him. Here you go, mate. You want one for the caravan park? He's all yours. Better get that one. You want to do it before? Fuck, I do not like them fish at fucking.
You need a bit angry. You need a beer. Let me spend lots of burgers. Alright, now the fun starts.
Jesus Christ!
You are absolute brilliant with the fish. Oh my god. 2 of them. Mate, they're not good. They're not good at all.
It's the right colour though.
It could well be a very good fish.
I might need some help.
Not me, so.
Nice big rankin.
That would do quite nicely. Oh, that is a nice rankin. That's a good looking fish there.
Gleno, what have we got going tonight, mate? Chef extraordinaire.
We're on the prawn and chorizo pizza, topped with a bit of fresh basil and some oven roasted cherry tomatoes.
Excuse me. Freshly caught prawns and handmade chorizo.
And handmade chorizo.
Come on, we're not doing it tough.
But I did not grow the basil.
Right, we bought the
That's
basil.
pretty piss poor, really.
I know. Disappointing, but very, very nice, hopefully.
Right. Couple of pizzas coming on. Doing it hard this trip, boys.
Doing it tough.
Doing it tough. Love it, love it. All right. All right.